One of the biggest barbecue showdowns in the country is just days away. We are talking about the National Capital Barbecue Battle.
This morning, our Millette Green is cooking with the pitmasters at this weekend's event. She's trying to improve her grilling skills. How's it going out there, Millette?
They've been grilling out here since 4 o'clock this morning. Famous Dave's, thank you so much for being here. We're ready for a barbecue. Oh, yes. Okay, all ahead of the National Capital Barbecue Battle. I got Ross, my pitmaster here, working this meat. Oh, yeah. Run down all of the meats that you guys are going to feature today on our patio and, of course, this weekend.
Oh, yeah. So we have our award-winning St. Louis ribs. We'll have our Southside rib tits, our barbecue roasted chicken, fried chicken. We've got our burnt butts, which I know you had this morning, which is our smoked pork caramelized, top of the blackberry barbecue sauce. And we're really excited to be out here today and to be down in D.C. all weekend.
Look, I tried that pork butt right there, and that thing was delicious.
Oh, yeah.
It melted in my mouth. Okay, so look. What's the difference? What do you pick? Would you pick ribs or chicken? I mean, a must-have for a barbecue. I know what you're going to say.
I mean, I'm a rib man through and through, so, but you knew that one.
I knew it.
Yeah.
I like chicken, but that pork butt was good. Okay, let me go over here to Crystal to talk about this weekend really quickly, because you guys are going to have a big presence at the Capital Barbecue Battle.
Absolutely. It's our 25-year anniversary, so we've got 2 stands going. We got the hospitality, and we're going to cater to all those that come down and visit us. We can't wait to share our award-winning barbecue with all of our fans.
This is the spread of food that they're going to have out here this weekend. Let's put up the graphics so everybody can know what we're talking about. I want to bring in Chuck Bell. The Capital Barbecue Battle is this weekend. Go down to Pennsylvania Avenue and check it out. Wilbur, give me a high five. Y'all ready for a barbecue? We have turned the NBC4 patio into a grilling extravaganza, thanks to Ross and the gang here. Thanks for coming out. Chuck, what do you think?
This is... All right. It smells so good out here this morning. I have only one question. What makes them St. Louis barbecue?
It's the style of cut of the meat on there. So you have St. Louis and then you have baby back ribs, which are 2 different cuts.
All right, very good. I was wondering about that. Now we know.
Now we know.
The more you know, the better it tastes.
And you had a little taste, too.
I did. And I even brought some in to Aaron and Unn. All they've got left is a carcass on the desk now.
Exactly. All gone.
Back into you guys.